Hello everyone and welcome back to Sandbus tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to walk you through how to set up B variant for A/B testing in Sandbus. So without further ado, let's get started. So right now, we are into the section of campaigns. You can create or you can generate B variant in two methods. The first, while you are creating your campaign, and the second, in existing campaign, you can also do the AB variant. So I'm showing you both the methods, so stay tuned. Let's start it with the create campaign. So when you are creating your campaign, that time you can also directly use AB variant. So when you are creating your campaign, that time also you can use the B variant and AB variant for AB testing. So right now I'm creating a campaign. So I'm skipping the steps, build from scratch. Okay, so now you can see you have to type new email. So here you have to select new email, then you have to keep your subject line, and then you have to type your email body. So right now there is only one email that we have, but if you want to do A/B testing, so what's the next step? So right here you have to select on add variant B, and after adding variant B you have two emails to do A/B testing. That's it. That's how you can add B variant for A/B testing. So right now after doing that you have to select on save, confirm, and that's it. That's how you can create your B variant in Sandbus for A/B testing, and then you know the next steps for choose winning step. This is the part of creating a new template, creating a new campaign. So what about your existing campaign? So for that, select your campaign where you only add the one email. So right here you have to click on add variant B, and then you can also start your campaign again, which will help you to get your campaign successful. And that's how we have successfully created a B variant for A/B testing in Sandbus. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy emailing with Sandbus.